Assalamu alaikum teachers and parents. So today we are going to do another activity, and this is the concept of sound. And the purpose of this activity is to tell our children that everything around us has a sound. उन्हें पता होना चाहिए कि किस चीज़ की क्या आवाज़ होती है. That is very much important for them. So let's move to our activity. Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Welcome back. So today we are going to do a new activity, and this one is very interesting. Okay, so आज हम बहुत से sounds के बारे में जानेंगे कि किस चीज़ का कौन सा sound होता है. And I will make you hear some sounds, and I will tell you that what sound is connected to which thing. Okay, and then we will play a small game. Okay children, so are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So pay attention. This is the sound of the board. This is the sound of the board. Sound of the board. Sound of the board. Yes. Now. This is the sound of the wall. This is the sound of the wall. This is the sound of the wall. Now. This is the sound of the table. This is the sound of the table. This is the sound of the table. Okay children, so now I have told you about some sounds, and I have told you that which sound is of which thing. Now we are going to play a game, okay? And for that game, I want all of you to close your eyes, okay children? And then I am going to produce some sound, and you will tell me that which sound is that one. Okay children? So जल्दी से सब अपनी आंखें बंद करेंगे, and no cheating, okay? Cheating नहीं करनी है. So let's close your eyes. Very good. Okay children, be ready. Which sound is this, children? Which sound is this? Yes, it is the sound of the table. Exactly. It is the sound of the table. Very good. Now, close your eyes. Keep them closed. Which is this sound? Which is this sound? Yes, exactly. It is the sound of the board. It is the sound of the board. Yes, very good children. So I hope that you have understood about the concept of sound, that the sound of this table is different than the sound of the board, and you also know how to recognize them. Okay children? So I hope you enjoyed playing this game. Now next time when I meet you, I will make sure that I have a very interesting activity for you. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.